What's up? It's your boy, Sheepster1, back at you with another Krunker tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you all the basics for your crunking. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, let's get into a game here. What do we got? Krunker.io. One of the greatest games ever since it's not blocked on our school's proxy. Don't know why. Alright, we're heading in to our next round. We just spawned in here. Use W, A, S, and D to move around. If you hit shift, you kind of go down low. Now, you left click to fire and right click to aim in. And you can use shift to drop down while doing this. R is to reload here. Oh, there's another Krunker. Let's go get him. Oh, he snuck up on me. What a sneaky Krunker. Alright, let's keep going. So we got W to go forward. S, I'm going to move to the side a little. Oh, aim in. Now you see that? I hit E to switch to my pistol. Very important. I'm using shift to crouch as I round these corners here. Let's hit E again, go back to our main battle rifle. Oh, I just saw another Krunker here, so we're going to just slowly creep around this corner. Slowly. What do we got? Any Krunkers? Any Krunkers? I don't see any Krunkers, so I think it's clear. We're going to keep pushing. Pushing towards the enemy. It's a good tactic. You create pressure on him. Now, I am the only one on my entire team, at least. Oh, there's a Krunker right there. He just went into that house. Sadly, I did miss. Oh, Krunker behind us. Dang, he got the jump on us. Let's just head in again. Now, since we are the only one on our team, we're probably going to have to... Oh, look at that right there. You see? Now, I could follow him, but... Oh, he could be waiting for me, too. Look at that. Headshot. Make sure you aim for the head to do extra damage. So we're going to keep heading forward. There's a Krunker up ahead right there. Look at that. You just want to keep that red dot right on that Krunker. There we go. Another headshot. If you want to see more headshots, don't forget to smash that like button. Hit the dab on the subscribe button. And just destroy the bell button. Alright? If you don't do those, I will kidnap your family. You see that? You see that right there? That's because you didn't hit the like button. That's part of the tutorial. You may gotta make sure you hit the like button. So we're hitting W to go to the side as we're shooting. Space to jump. That's very important. It's harder to hit while you're jumping. So here we're gonna combine all these movements here. So I'm hitting space to jump, W to go forward, and I'm holding L to aim in here. So we're holding W, and then I'm just to round the corners. You don't even have to use A and D. You don't even have to. You can just turn. Oh, Jesus. Okay, you can just turn your mouse to move. Oh, look at that. We got that Krunker. Alright, so if A and D are best used if you want to move to the side without moving your mouse. Because moving your mouse means you move your gun. And that might be an issue. So, like, let's say there was a guy at that door, but I wanted to move to the side. That's what A and D would be for. You wouldn't want to do this. But if you just want to turn a corner, you use the mouse. It's very, very, very tactical things you got to do here in Krunker. Krunker.io is... Did you know 5-star Army generals use Krunker.io to train? Because it's such a tactical game. Alright, we got that Krunker. Now, you see here, I'm using A and D to move side to side so I'm harder to hit. What are you going to do there? So, as I was saying, I'm using A and D while aiming in to move side to side, so I'm harder to hit. Now, if you just want to turn, remember, you just use the mouse. You don't use A and D. Now, you can use A and D, but it's not very effective. Well, look at that. Second place, guess number 1. It is Krunker time. That's how you can tell. First game on, 7 kills and 8 deaths. That is a Krunker record for me, because this is the second time I've ever played this game. Alright, we're in another free-for-all round. Now, this is very... Oh, wait, no. Oh, that's capture the flag. I'm very sorry. No, the thing is, there are different game modes in Krunker. So in this one, we're trying to capture the flag. So in Capture the Flag, it's very different. We were just playing free for all. That is the most fun game mode in my opinion. You just run around and shoot people. But now what we're going to have to do is there's our okay. So as you can see, that man was guarding his flag, and this is our flag, or it should be here, but somebody took it. So you know what that means? We can't just go run for the enemies. We got to go recover our flag, which sadly requires us to kill these nice people. But I'm sure they deserve it. Okay, we're pushing forward. Oh, that drop shot, very nasty. See, I hit shift. See, he was probably aiming at my upper chest. I hit shift and go down. It can mess up your enemy. And then I jumped there to further mess him up. Oh, I have a teammate. See, this is another thing. Now that my teammate has the flag, I'm going to want to support him. Because if he dies, the flag will be dropped and we won't get those points. Here, I'm going to help my teammate out. Just take out this bad guy here. Alright, there we go. We're going to move in. Keep following our teammate. Oh no, the enemy does have our flag, but it looks like our teammate recovered it. That is very nice. So now this is where strategy comes into Krunker. It seems like he's very happy with pushing, and I am perfectly fine with that. But if we do want to take the victory royale, we're going to have to hold down this flag, and I will gladly take the role of flag holder down. Alright. Just gonna wait for them to push us. So we're no longer on the offensive. We're on the defensive now. Let's hope he's got that covered. Nope, he just died. Oh, look at that. Oh. He had a sight on me. Okay. Well, see, now we're kind of getting assaulted here. We're getting really tagged. Oh, they spawned me back here. Okay. We got to keep moving. We got to keep moving, and we got to go and secure our flag. So, luckily for me, my teammate just returned our flag. So I'm gonna head back to our flag and continue defending it. See that now it tells you when the enemy has your flag, so you know when you're gonna have to. Dang, that's a good gun. You know when you're gonna have to. Oh, it spawned me right behind him. So now I gotta stay on the offensive. I gotta push him. I wanna keep him from getting that point, because if he returns the flag to his point, then we're not gonna do as good. Dang, he's good. You know what? That's the thing about Krunker, though, is sometimes you just get outmatched. But look at here. We're going to use teamwork against them. Or I'm going to get killed. That's alright. That's alright. Oh, that nasty headshot. If you want to see more headshots, don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. Oh, we do have a Krunker coming, so we got to... That's okay. We're going to spawn in a second here, and we'll just go push him. So we spawned in. He is back there. The enemy does have our flag, but that's okay. We can see the flag moving, and we can just wait for him. Oh. Or he just won't die. You know what? That's fine. So, this has been your Krunker tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and now you know everything you need to know to be a Krunker. Don't forget to smash that like button and destroy that subscribe button. Peace out.